So I finally moved into that newly renovated spot I told you about. You know, the one with the marble counters. Honestly, the rent was so low I should have checked the walls before I signed the lease. I'm a cybersecurity person, right? I notice things. About 3 nights in, I started hearing this thumping. Slow, rhythmic, right behind my headboard. I told myself it was just the pipes. Old buildings have character, whatever. But then it started moving. I'd go into the bathroom and the thumping would follow me through the drywall. It would stop exactly behind the vanity mirror. I actually laughed at first. I thought, okay, maybe it's a squirrel. Last night, the sound changed. It wasn't a thump anymore. It was wet, like someone breathing through a heavy mask. I couldn't just sit there. I had to know. I grabbed my phone and opened my thermal imaging app, the one I use for hardware audits. I held the camera up to the wall, right where the breathing was loudest. My blood literally went cold. On the screen, the wall was deep purple, cold, except for one spot. There was a bright orange, human-shaped heat signature standing perfectly upright inside the drywall. It wasn't a pipe, it was a person, and they were standing so still, just watching me through the plaster. I tapped on the wall with a heavy candle holder. The heat signature didn't flinch, but the breathing? It stopped instantly. That's when I noticed the vanity mirror was vibrating. I reached behind the glass and I felt a latch. The mirror isn't just a mirror, it's an access panel. I'm sitting in my car right now. I didn't open that latch, I just ran. But I keep thinking about what happened when I panned the phone toward the ceiling before I left. There wasn't just one signature. There were 3 more in the crawl space above my bed. They aren't just in my walls, they're in the whole building. Check your walls. Seriously.